Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Òrúnmìlà, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. The Slave Who Freed Himself by Making a Bow. Òbàtálá had 3 slaves. He sent them to work in the fields, but only the youngest among them went to the house of Òrúnmìlà to make a bow. By late afternoon, the 2 older ones returned. Òbàtálá asked them about the youngest, and they said, "Since morning, he has been sleeping under a tree." Òbàtálá became angry and decided to punish him when he returned. The truth was that the 2 older slaves had refused to lend him the work tools they were not using. The youngest had already used his own tools to make a bow, so he had to work with his bare hands all day. Because of this, he could not finish his task on time and had to stay longer to complete it. While working, he found a parrot inside a hollow tree, along with all its feathers from the nest. He took the bird and brought it to Òbàtálá. When Òbàtálá received this precious gift from his slave, he was overjoyed and granted him freedom. The other 2, envious, remained slaves.